Hey Earthlings, welcome to this video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to link your YouTube channel to Google AdSense. And the reason why I'm doing this updated tutorial is because since the beginning of April, YouTube has introduced some new guidelines with regards to monetizing your videos. So basically what one needs to have now is a total of 10,000 views on your channel in order to monetize your videos. So in other words, in order to make money from the content that you're creating on your YouTube channel, you need to have a total of 10,000 views on your channel. Although this might sound really disappointing, let me just help you put it into perspective because it's not as bad as it sounds. So the average CPM based on your YouTube channel, so this means the average money you get per 1,000 views on your YouTube channel is usually around about $1 to $2 per 1,000 views. So that means that if you have to wait until you hit 10,000 views, you're literally missing out on about $20. And now with the advertising boycott that has taken place, you're probably even making less money. I mean, everybody is making a lot less money per 1,000 views compared to, say, last month or the month before. The way that I see it is that this provides a great opportunity for people to focus on creating quality content. And before you know it, you're going to hit 10,000 views. So having said all that, let's get started with the tutorial. It isn't necessary to have a video on your channel when you're linking your AdSense account because your video won't be monetized until you reach those 10,000 views. So what you want to do is go to Video Manager. And this is the area where all of the magic happens. So here on the left-hand side corner. So the next thing we want to do is click on Channel. And the first step is to verify our account. So we're going to do that now. Let's verify our account here. So click on Verify. You can either get YouTube to call you with an automated voice message, or you can ask them to text you the verification code. I usually choose the second option here. So text me the verification code. So I've just received the verification code, which I will add into this area here. And that's pretty much it. That's the first step done. You verified your account, so click Continue. So the next step is to monetize our videos. So what we need to do is to click on this Enable button here where it says monetization. Just click on that Enable. Next step is to, apply for monetization. So let's start. Click on Start here. Of course, it is a good idea to read through the terms and conditions. So once you've done that, main thing is not to use copyright material. And of recent, it's important to create content that is advertising friendly as well. So no content that has obscene language, violence. If you need more information on the YouTube guidelines, I will link it down in the description box. Okay, so once you've read through the terms and conditions, you can click Yes, Yes, Yes. Click all of these boxes and then click I accept. All right, so you've done the first step, which is YouTube Partner Program Terms Accepted. Number 2, sign up for AdSense. All right, so click Start. Now, if you need extra information about how old you need to be to set up AdSense or how long it takes for your application to get reviewed, then you can click on any of these links here. Okay, so now we're going to click on Next. And now we're going to click on Sign In rather than Create Account. I find this step is really important because a lot of people have messaged me that when they click on Create Account, it sort of takes them somewhere else and they have problems. So click on Sign In and use your existing Google Gmail email address that you've just created to follow the process really. So click Sign In. And what we're doing here now is we're linking YouTube with AdSense. So it says your website. As you can see, it's automatically added my YouTube link here. So I didn't have to do that manually. And I'm hoping that works for you as well. That's another reason why I recommend that you choose the option Sign In rather than Create Account. Content language English is fine, so save and continue. So I've completed my personal information, I've got my time zone, which is Nairobi. If you can't find your time zone here, then choose something that is close to your time zone, because it can be a bit tricky to find your time zone in here, I find. Anyways, I'm an individual, so I've chosen individual. Got my address here, telephone number, really important that you've put here your telephone number because you will need to verify your Google AdSense account in future or for anything like that. You want to have your own telephone number in here. Now for AdSense email preferences, I'm just going to click on no here, but of course, if you're interested in any of these, then feel free to click yes. And then submit my application, fingers crossed, and you get to the next step. Next thing, again, you've got terms and conditions. So again, read through them. And then once you're happy, click on yes, I've read and accept the agreement, and accept. So the next step is complete, which is your AdSense association. So number 3, we need to set up monetization preferences. Okay, so let's start. And here it says monetize all existing and future videos. Yes, that sounds pretty good to us, I think. So let's save. So as you can see, it says here, upon reaching 10,000 views, your channel is automatically reviewed to make sure that it complies with the YouTube Partner Program terms and our community guidelines. We'll email you with a decision within a week. So you can expect to get an email from YouTube, from Google AdSense, after you've reached 10,000 views, so within a week usually. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how to link your YouTube channel to Google AdSense. I hope this video has been informative and sort of clears things up a bit for anybody who is just starting out. And hit the like button. Thank you guys, and bye.